Taking your vehicle to a big-name chain service provider can be expensive and irritating. Whether you need tire rotation, windshield repair, tire repair, at Patriot Subaru, we provide complete service for your Subaru vehicle, from regularly scheduled maintenance to transmission repairs. Here at Patriot Subaru's state-of-the-art green facility, you can relax in our customer reception area with free coffee, Wi-Fi, computers, and a TV, while our highly trained Subaru Master Technicians utilize our 16 service bays to make sure your vehicle is serviced promptly and correctly. Come in today or visit us at www.patriotsubaru.com while you're there and see how Patriot Subaru's green policy extends to every part of our business. Talk to us about the things we do to be a good environmental citizen. Schedule service appointments online, order parts, and visit our accessories website. And when you use a certified dealer service station, you get the best trade-in price for that vehicle. Call, click, or come in for more information. Patriot Subaru is located at 769 Portland Road in Saco, Maine.